Hello everyone. In this video, we're going to be covering the Find and Replace tool on Microsoft Excel. In the previous video, we just covered the Find tool, but the Find and Replace works a little bit differently. So to do this, you need to come over here to the Home tab on your ribbon. You can come over here to Find and select the Replace option, or you can go ahead and do Control F on your keyboard and then just change the tab on Find and Replace to Replace. So now what we're going to do first is you have to go ahead and find what you're looking for. But before we do that, you do have some additional options here. You can decide, are you just looking within your sheets? Are you looking for rows, by columns? Are you looking in formulas? You can decide if you want to make it case sensitive or not. So just make sure that your parameters are correct for your search. So for us, everything just exists on this one sheet, so we're fine. So in the previous video, we were looking for the word total, but maybe we wanted to change the word total to sum, and we didn't have to find it, didn't want to have to go through each individual instance of it and change it. So for us, we can just go ahead and type in the word total here. So find what? So find what we're looking for first. So let's do total. So it looks like we have two different instances of total, but there may be, 50 instances of something throughout your workbook, and you don't want to have to go through it individually. So now what we can do is we can decide, what do we want to replace it with? Do we want to, I want to replace it with the word sum. The word total is appropriate, but we'll just use sum as our example here. Now I can decide, do I want to replace an individual instance of it? Maybe I only want to change it here for this column, but I want to leave it total here as one of the values. Do I want to go ahead and leave that alone? I can if I want to. I can do that by just so you see right now it has this one selected. I can go ahead and hit replace. And then once I'm done with that, once it comes over to this option, I can decide if I just want to skip it or I can replace that one as well. There is also this option here called replace all. So like I mentioned, maybe you have 50 instances of something in your workbook and you don't want to have to go through each individual one. You just know anytime the word total is mentioned in my workbook, I want to replace it with the word sum. All you have to do is hit replace all. So that's the option that we're going to use. So let's go ahead and select replace all and see what happens. Okay, so it says all done. We made two replacements. So let's go ahead and close this. And now if we come over here to where total used to be, total has been changed to the word sum. So you can see how quick or how much time this was actually going to be able to save you rather than having to find each individual instance of this throughout your workbook. You can just type in the keyword or keywords and then whatever you want to replace it with and then hit replace all or replace sum and then leave sum alone. But that is how you use the Find and Replace tool on Excel.